RLT family, this is Greg. Welcome to your Friday real life stock review.
What's up, traders? It's Jeremy Alexander with your Friday trade review. Let's go find some details that are left on the chart so that we can learn. I'm gonna pop over to one of my buddies. His name is Wesley. He lives here in Nashville, Tennessee. One of my coaching students, awesome guy. I put over my weekly mastermind group that meets up for trading related information. And let's review 3 trades he took. He made one winner on AMD, one loss on Tesla, and another winner on AMD. This was a trade. You can see the green line is his entry right here. Bottom line is his stop loss. So effectively on this particular trade was running up, made new highs. He bought a pullback probably on a little bit of a bigger time frame and went long. I believe it looks like above this bullish candle right there. So waited for that upper shadow to come in. This is on a 1-minute chart, and let the weakness come in, upper shadow, bear candle, upper shadow, and then got in above there, stopped there. Really nice little risk. Looks like about 30 cents on AMD. Trade up to this resistance, and then bang, got out 105.66 for right at 1 risk unit. Wes, well done. So he goes about 1.4 R's. Very, very nice. All right, and then he said lost a big fat R on Tesla. So here's the Tesla trade. I took one that was very similar on Tesla today that also did not work. So hey, it's all good. Sometimes you got to lose in order to win. My boy Wes crushing this 1-minute chart. So anyway, nice loss, good breakdown. He waited for a lot of sideways action. Here's the bull candle, got him below that bull candle, and then just got flashed out with a stop. Similar thing happened to me on a little bit of a bigger time frame, but nonetheless, great try, Wes. And then look at this trade on AMD, the short. This was a thing of beauty, and happening on a little bit of a bigger time frame, 3-minute chart. So again, we have a channel here at RLT that just focuses primarily on day trading AMD. It's called AMD is my ATM. Nice little bear Momo trigger here, right? Breakdown of the support. Took out that nice bullish candle. And what was most important is the bear candle before it closed below support. So we got a bunch of support closings, came down, Momo flipped, and he set up a consolidation break to short below there, stop above the recent pivots, and just barely missed his target at 104.06 and got trailed out, looks like at 104.36. That is a masterful trade. That's what looks like waiting for your setup is exactly, that's it, man. Great, great stuff, Wes. Way to bang out 2 gorgeous trades and 1 loser, losing small, winning big, and having a profitable Friday. You, sir, are the man. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want me to review your trade in a trade review for Friday, post it in the comment section below. Hit me up. Let me know how I can assist and enrich your life. You rock. Enjoy your weekend. Goodbye.
Bam. That's it. Your Friday trade review. Thank you for being a loyal real life trading subscriber to our YouTube channel. And if you're not, what are you doing? Smash that red subscribe button and click that bell. You rock.